This is Faizan Ahmed, and this is a new channel in which we discuss about Bitcoin. So please like and subscribe it. So let's continue. In this video, we will discuss the decentralized digital currency and its potential impact on the financial world. So let's continue it. Here's an introduction. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, and that was introduced in 2019 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is distributed ledger that records all the transactions made with Bitcoin. So we understand that Bitcoin is open source. Its design is public. Nobody owns or controls Bitcoins, and everyone can take a part. So you also take in the part of the Bitcoin journey. Here is basic points, key points that we will understand one by one. Here are some key points that you must know about Bitcoins. Decentralizations, blockchain technology, limited supply, mining, and divisibility. So there's the first point, decentralization. Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authorization as we discussed. It is based on a peer-to-peer network where participants interact directly with each other without intermediators. There is a second point, blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology? Basically, Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This technology ensures transparency, security, and immutability of transactions. So it is very, very secure. And the next point is limited supply. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, there is a limited supply of bitcoins. The maximum number of bitcoin that can ever exist in 21. This secrecy is designed to create value over time. So our next point is mining. What is mining? Basically, mining is new bitcoin are created through a process called mining. We will create bitcoin using mining. So now we discuss the mining. Miners useful powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and when they find a solution they are rewarded with newly minted bitcoins. This process also secures the network and verifies transaction. So hope you can understand. Now that's our third point, divisibility. What is divisibility? Bitcoin is divisible into smaller units. It means it is divided into many parts. The smallest unit of Bitcoin is called Satoshi. That we discussed. Satoshi was developer of Bitcoin, named after the cryptocurrency's creator. One Bitcoin is equivalent to 100 million Satoshis, allowing for microtransactions. So this is the end of our topic, and we will come with more Bitcoins keys. So please don't forget to follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.